So, you think, how you feel if you say another 10-1?
The 10-1 now. Back to the 10-1. We really and truly, MG, it has to do with the squad, I think. At the end of the day, we never carry out the right youths them. If we
You think we never carry the right youths?
I think say we had other players because I hear the comments and I look what the people them say. The people them say we carry players who are privileged. What do you think about that?
No, but you have to understand this now. So for example, if you go, say you are play well in your school, right? And then you are play
Did you
tier
think
2.
it's everybody who that played well?
I thought that
you like the squad that they carry?
I thought they bring good crop of players. In my view, they bring some good crop of players. But it also doesn't mean that they specifically are better than who they go face against. So even if we bring the right set of players, we still might get the same result. Because
would I get 5 instead of 10?
No, we don't know because the ball belongs to the level of the opponent.
Probably would I get 15.
Exactly.
You don't know.
The ball belongs to the level of the opponent.
And it's not even just the talent as you just say, you know. It's about, as you say, playing style and how it fit and go up against.
We got that run up and down and them up knock around the ball by the time 10 minutes we're tired.
We go back down to playing style. Should we have, alright, is it a case where we use...
Personally, I don't think that they were just naturally better than us. They just have a higher level. For example, let me give you a perfect example. If we have a local squad of be domestic players, I will go put them in the national team and then I go play against the Argentina squad. Remember the last time we played against Argentina with all our top guns, them, the Mikel, Antonio and them, and then we get to a 3-love. I will go play against the Argentina team right now with the local squad. What do you think the scoreline is going to be?
Why we have to go there?
No, I'm not telling you.
That is true. That's why I was thinking about that the squad must be off. It must the squad must be off.
Show me, I show you it's not about the squad.
But a while ago you kind of show me say kind of the squad because you say that one was a better squad and we'll get 3. If we play with local players, you want me to say we'll get 6.
I show you now. This now. Say, we play with a better squad and we get 3. If we play a local squad, we probably get a bigger result. Because at the end of the day, that team is just better than us. And we can't estimate the level that they are at because we don't see them, we don't know them. So really and truly, our boys could probably go out there, give them a hand and give everything and still pick up a 10. So even if we say we're going to pick other players, because talent subjective, you know.
It's hard to get 10 and don't think say players.
All right, let me show you.
I can't look on the coach and not say, and not excusing the coach, you know. Everybody forget blame, you know. But you can't look for me getting 10 mg and tell me say it may not be the squad. You have to think about
no,
that. It's not a point where you can brush.
I'm not dispute that. But what I'm saying is this. What I'm saying is, all right, for example, let me give a perfect example, right? Our opinion surrounding players. Our opinion, we can be. Our opinion on who is better from who is not better is totally different from what the coach wants. Totally different.
True.
Because sometimes it's not only about who is better than who. It's about
fit the system.
Good.
That's what someone said. But that is what I'm telling you. That's why you were like, I believe, but do you really believe that it was the best scrap of players or is it just the best set of players for that system?
All right, I
always think it's best to get the best set of players for that system.
No, but
because you'd have Beer Stardust, but if we can't connect 5 passes,
it makes no
how
sense.
good
No, not exactly.
The whole way I can start looking like shit. Everybody, sorry.
I know I pick up about 15.
Yeah, and then them time all the blame would have go back to the coach.
Exactly.
And the coach would have said, John, I never them 12 or 11, 15, 10.
So no matter, really and truly, no matter who you pick, at the end of the day, the opponent is just naturally better than you get flagged. You get flagged. You just go for sure, say, until we personally fix up ourselves and get better to that level and be competitive at that level, that's the only way we can compete against them. Unless we can do that. It doesn't matter who we put out there, who we believe is better than who, because really and truly, me can look on you and say, boy, you know, the last season, schoolboy football, the best team in my view was Stats. You say, no man, the best team in your view was JC. Our next man said Mona, the next man said CC, next man. Exactly so. Our opinion boils down to how we view football now, how we think. But really and truly, if you look at all of the metrics, the team will win everything would have been CC. So more than likely that's a boy of them. That would have been the best team. But guess what? No. What if the same team they go compete against another school, against another school outside of the region, in a better school and go get our 5 or 6? We're gonna say no. We're gonna say boy and the best players then go. When at that school they win everything. So you see the difficulty now? It's tough. Talent, hard to evaluate talent, hard to quantify talent, hard to quantify who better than who, when really and truly there's so much factors to
We're
consider.
talking about schoolboy, so
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to just say who better than who at the schoolboy level.
I agree.
But yeah, we talk only about it, MG.